If you've been sensing that something within you is awakening, a quiet nudge to live with more peace, more clarity, and more meaning, you're not alone. Welcome to Awaken Your Spiritual Path, a space where we explore what it truly means to awaken and embody your light. In a moment, I'll share how our 30-day journeys are designed to guide you step by step into deeper awareness, and why arriving here right now might be exactly what your soul has called in. Here, we journey together through the seasons of awakening, one step, one breath, and one realization at a time. Each 30-day journey explores a theme of spiritual growth, blending stories, reflection, and simple daily practices that help you embody your light in everyday life. Think of it as a sacred rhythm, a month-long flow where your awareness deepens, your energy balances, and life itself becomes your teacher. I'm Cheryl Campbell, an author, creator, and lifelong student of awakening. While writing my book, Voices Stepping Out of the Darkness and Into the Light, I realized just how powerful our stories truly are and how they affect our lives. That experience inspired me to create our Journeys of Light series, a continuing series of 30-day explorations designed to help you rise, remember, and realign with the wisdom that already exists within you. Each journey begins with an opening reflection, a guiding video that sets the tone for the month ahead. Every week builds upon the last with insights, embodiment practices, and moments of stillness to help you live in flow with your soul's rhythm. The full experience continues inside Serenith Rising, where you'll find guided meditations, invocations, journal prompts, and guest teachers to support your growth. And when you're ready to go even deeper, our sister space, Serenith Wisdom, offers courses and live cohorts for advanced transformation. The beauty of it all? Each journey stands on its own, so whenever you arrive, whether it's the 1st, the 12th, or the 50th journey, it will meet you exactly where you are. You are always right on time. Our newest journey begins right here, with a reflection that invites you to rediscover the peace that's been within you all along. If this space speaks to your heart, take a moment to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss the next reflection waiting for you. Wherever you begin, it's exactly the right place to start. As I've mentioned before, you have arrived right on time. Welcome home.